Chelaque Estates is a private community in Mooresburg, Tennessee, hosting approximately 12 miles of roadway and over 85 lots. The community is located on rugged terrain on the banks of Cherokee Lake and experiences erosion issues and ongoing construction as the community develops. Because of this, the roads are experiencing damage that create unsafe conditions for the residents of the community. The Knoxx Engineering team has been provided the opportunity to work with Patrick Fiveash and Shep Stiles from Gresham Smith as technical mentors to work directly on designing solutions to a list of top 25 priority repairs within the community.
In order to ensure we're meeting their needs, the Knoxx Engineering team has sought feedback from our clients, Dave and Jody Howells and David Margazzi, who are members of the Chelaque Homeowners Association. They've allowed us into their community for site visits and have helped us advertise our 2 community forums to their homeowners. After our first forum, our team also sent out a survey to the community members to get their feedback on some of the roadway damages, as well as some safety concerns they have. This allowed us to gather data on roadway safety issues such as crashes or near misses, and we were also able to narrow down which roadway repairs should be prioritized.
The purpose of the initial site visit was to gather information on the different types of roadway damages. The purpose of the next 2 site visits was to gather data on the existing drainage infrastructure for use in our future design efforts. The team has also hosted 2 community forums. During these forums, our team presented our findings about the worst problem types and hosted open discussions to hear what improvements community members would like to see. We used the community feedback gathered from the forums as well as our team's findings to compile a list of the top 25 priority locations in need of repairs. As a team, we have developed typical drawings for the proposed road structure. We have also provided typical drawings for 2 different types of retaining walls based off of the 2 different types of walls that they currently have in the community. All drawings were based on standards found in the TDOT typical cross sections.
The NAE designated restoring infrastructure as one of the top current engineering priorities. Knoxx Engineering is addressing this goal by providing more sustainable design solutions for the future infrastructure repair. The ASCE body of knowledge states that the primary goal of civil engineers is to uphold public safety. Knoxx Engineering is going beyond providing road repairs design by proposing various safety improvement throughout the community. In consideration of the GCSEE factors, we are specifically focused on economic and cultural factors. We must keep in mind the Homeowners Association budget when proposing repairs to ensure that we are providing the most feasible solution. Additionally, we aim to preserve the mountain community atmosphere of Chelaque Estates while also improving the quality of life.